Hello and welcome. Today we're looking at Luzid, which is a development environment which will have you develop on Solana at light speed. Let's look at an example right away. Here we have a tic-tac-toe app which interacts with the tic-tac-toe program, which just got cloned on demand from DevNet into our local validator. Now we can interact with it normally, or we can just also interact with it with the Luzid API and override account state, either by just setting it, or like we're doing here, we can save a snapshot of an account and then restore it to undo an action. All this while the validator is running, and we can also look at the account state, how they changed over time, and link them back to the transactions. And as we saw, these transactions are coming in real time, and they are labeled. Either you can manually label them, or the IDL is used to figure out what the best label should be. Now, how does it work? Well, Luzid embeds Magic Block's low latency validator, and that's why it's so much faster than DevNet or any test validator that you would normally run locally. And that shortens the feedback loop. Additionally, it provides a bunch of productivity boosters and diagnostic features. And with that intuitive UI that it has, and the TypeScript SDK, which allows you to interact with Luzid, you basically become a Solana ninja if you use it. Now, you're probably wondering, how do I get my hands on this Luzid? Well, just go to luzid.app, run the Luzid script to install it. Then you have a Luzid in your terminal which you launch, and a Luzid UI.app which you also launch. They connect, and then you're ready to go to follow the remaining part of the series, which will teach you all the ins and outs of Luzid. Thanks for watching.